Here we're foam rolling the quadriceps. Quadriceps, of course, extends the knee, kicks the knee out, and it's going to help you stand up when we squat. Big thigh muscle on the front of the leg. So we're doing our similar pin and stretch here. So we're going to roll around until we find a tender spot. Once we find that tender spot, we're going to trap it with the foam roller, and then we're going to kick our knee back and forth into flexion and extension. Spend about 30 seconds on that each location that's tender. Move to the next one. 2 minutes total, or 4 different spots on a muscle belly usually works pretty well. Any more than that, and you're not getting as much bang for your buck, so to speak. So 2 minutes is usually a good total. I wouldn't do much more than that before you move on to the next area or the next muscle group. Okay. As always, if you notice anything weird, numbness, tingling, odd pains, just move, get to a new spot. We don't want to create any irritation with this. We're just trying to elicit some blood flow to the area, relax the muscle belly a little bit, kind of just change the input to the area. We're not actually trying to change the quality of the tissue. So, 2 minutes, you're just trying to trick the nervous system, and then we'll follow that up with a stretch or a loaded isometric to create actual length changes. All right, if you have any questions on that, make sure you let us know. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.